Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrency, has undergone a remarkable journey since its inception. Since its beginning, Bitcoin has experienced significant price swings, attracting attention from individual traders, major investors, and the public. Bitcoin's price can surge notably due to increased adoption, its limited supply, and the growing interest from institutional investors. Several experts in the field, both individual and institutional, are bullish on the price of Bitcoin moving into the year 2024. First on the list, we have Cathie Wood, the CEO of 8RK Invest, predicting that Bitcoin could reach $650,000 in 2024 and $1 million by 2030. She's hopeful about a Bitcoin ETF and likes that Bitcoin isn't controlled by a single entity like FTX. If her predictions come true, Bitcoin might take over more than half of a huge $25 trillion crypto market, showing how important it could become globally. Further in the list, we have Robert Kiyosaki. You might know him from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He's saying Bitcoin won't stop at $100,000, as he sees it potentially surging to $120,000 by 2024. Eventually, he believes it because of the increasing decline in the US dollar and countries' shift towards digital currency. It's like he believes that Bitcoin could become even more valuable because of changes in regular money. Next in the lineup, we've Adam Back, a computer scientist and a well-known figure in the Bitcoin community. He believes that Bitcoin might reach $100,000 by March 31, 2024. His prediction highlights the crucial role of Bitcoin miners in the upcoming Bitcoin halving scheduled for April 2024. As per Adam, these events will highly impact the price of Bitcoin. Tim Draper, another billionaire investor, earlier predicted that Bitcoin would reach $250,000 by June 2023. But now he's thinking maybe it will take until 2025. Eventually, the reason behind such shift is because the US government, especially the Securities and Exchange Commission, as they've been a bit tough on crypto companies, and that's slowing things down for Bitcoin. But despite this, Draper still believes in Bitcoin. Standard Chartered, the big investment bank, is throwing in their prediction too. However, they're saying Bitcoin might hit $50,000 by the end of 2023 and then go up even more to $100,000 by the end of 2024. This is actually more than what they said before, showing they're feeling more positive about Bitcoin's future. It's like they're saying, hey, Bitcoin, we see you going up even more. Arthur Hayes, the founder of BitMEX, has his own take. He believes Bitcoin could go up to $70,000 by 2024, but that's just the short-term view. His long-term picture is even more interesting. He's imagining Bitcoin going all the way up to $1 million by 2026. He's talking about how there's only a limited supply of Bitcoin, and that makes people really want it. Plus, he's looking at some big changes happening in the world that could make Bitcoin more valuable.
Maybe we go down to 25,000, maybe we go down to 20,000, whatever. It doesn't really matter. What really matters is how is this banking crisis in the US progressing? And I think sometime later this year, we're going to see another few banks almost bite the dust, and then it's going to be explicitly clear that the entire banking system is backstopped by the Fed.
JPMorgan, the big investment bank, has similar thoughts too. Meanwhile, they're forecasting that Bitcoin might reach $45,000 in 2024. That's a bit more than what it's trading for right now, around $62,000. Eventually, they think some investors see Bitcoin like they see gold, and also considers the impact of the upcoming Bitcoin halving event scheduled for next April. It's like they're saying, keep an eye on Bitcoin, it might surprise you. Let's not forget Tom Lee, the CEO of Fundstrat. He's setting the bar high, saying Bitcoin could go up to $180,000 by its 2024 halving. This optimistic forecast is grounded in two major factors: the potential launch of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund and the historical influence of previous halving events on Bitcoin's price.
And of course, Bitcoin separately has it as catalyst if an ETF, which, we're in the window where we'll start to see the potential for an SEC approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF.
And are you strictly Bitcoin at this point these days?
Well, if the spot Bitcoin gets approved,
Yeah.
I think the demand will be greater than the daily supply of Bitcoin. And so the clearing price, this is done by Sean Farrell, who's our crypto digital strategist, is over 150,000. It could even be like 180,000.
There's Pantera Capital, a major player in managing crypto assets. They even believe that Bitcoin could go up to around $148,000 in its next 4-year halving cycle that is around April 2024, where the miner rewards are reduced by 50%, influencing the rate at which new Bitcoins enter circulation. Experts have different opinions, with estimates ranging from $45,000 to $1,000. As these varied estimates show a positive outlook for Bitcoin, suggesting potential growth and ongoing importance in the financial world despite the market's ups and downs. Thanks for joining us on Coinpedia, where we strive to provide the most up-to-date and accurate information on the world of cryptocurrency.